Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Klaviyo to build brand-focused welcome flows, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, navigate to the Flows tab on the left-hand sidebar. Click on the Create Flow button at the top right corner of the page. Select Create from Scratch to begin building your welcome flow. Give your flow a descriptive name, such as Brand Welcome Flow. Now, click on the trigger icon to set up how users will enter this flow. Select the specific list that users will join to trigger this flow. Next, click on Add a message to insert your first email. Customize the message to introduce your brand and express gratitude for their subscription. In the email editor, ensure that the subject line is catchy and reflects your brand's voice. Use engaging visuals and a clear call to action to encourage interaction. After you're satisfied with your email, click the Save Content button. Now, let's add a time delay before the next message. Click on the Add a Time Delay option and select a duration that fits your welcome strategy. After the delay, add another email to share your brand story or highlight key products. Customize this email similarly, ensuring it aligns with your brand's tone and messaging. Continue building your flow by adding additional messages or actions if desired. Consider including surveys or feedback requests after the initial welcome emails to gather insights. Once your flow is complete, overview it to ensure everything is properly connected and timed. Click the Publish button to make your welcome flow live. Monitor the flow's performance through the Analytics section in Klaviyo. Make adjustments to content or timing based on user engagement and feedback. This concludes the setup of a brand-focused welcome flow in Klaviyo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.